But
Bounce. West side, make them bounce right now. North side, make them bounce right now. Middle finger to the odds right now. Is you down for the cause right now? Bed side, make them bounce right now. Get the money and we out right now. Get the boys that they want right now. In the spot right now, make them bounce right now like that.
Working, whipping, grinding, no more time, and I guess I should take it slow.
you already know what time it is. Okay, it's time for comment shout outs. The first, number one, comment shout out goes to Os. You already know. Every time she's down below under the comment section, okay? And the number two comment shout out goes to HFM family. He's becoming a regular as well. Like always, I appreciate all y'all's comments. Keep them coming. What is good, everyone? Welcome back to another Melanin Mondays. I know it's been a while since I did a Melanin Mondays, but you know your girl's trying to add some new elements, okay? Some more sazon, okay, into her channel. And Melanin Mondays has always been the OG series on my channel.
You know I had to bring it back. Bring it back, girl. Had to bring it back. Hey, bring it back, girl. Had to bring it back. Hey.
So Melanin Mondays is back. We're here. We're aware. In this edition of Melanin Mondays, I'm going to highlight a brand. You know, this brand is pretty big on Instagram and I've yet to try it. And that is Beauty Bakerie Cosmetics. Beauty Bakerie Cosmetics is run and owned by a Black woman. Yes, you heard it. It is Black owned and you already know I had to try it. I don't know why it took me so long, but as you can see, okay, Beauty Bakerie got my face together. So y'all already know. If you think the melanin is popping, you know what to do. You gotta keep on watching. So the first Beauty Bakerie product I'm going to use is their concealer. This is it right here. It's called their Insta Bake Concealer. Packaging right here. Tell you the bottle is pretty small. This is in the color 006 Sugar Daddy. Sugar Daddy. Okay, so I'm just dabbing under my eyes. I usually just go under my eye and then I foundation brush and just stipple that out. Okay, it's not bad. One thing I do notice about this concealer is that it dries quite a bit faster than I would like. Okay, I'm liking the coverage. Okay, Beauty Bakerie, I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you, Beauty Bakerie. So it looks evenly blended out. So the second Beauty Bakerie product that I did purchase is their flower setting powder. And it looks so cute. And it even has, like, if you can tell, the little side instructions and all of that, and it tells you how to use it. And then on this side it even has like the cute little nutrition facts, which I think that's pretty cute. You know, it takes a lot to put in this much effort into packaging. I feel like most of the time packaging is not something that a lot of brands put time and effort into, and I really appreciate that Beauty Bakerie, you know, put that extra into their like packaging. Got it in the color plantain. Okay, so do y'all call plantain because I know a lot of Jamaican, Caribbean people call plantain. I'm Nigerian, obviously, and we call it plantain. I thought it was called plantain this whole time. It's a little debate going on, but so, you know, let me know if y'all call plantain, or plantain. I call it plantain, but you know, shout out to all my Jamaican people out there and all my Caribbean, Trinidadian, and all y'all. This is the color I have it in, Plantain, the color right here of it. I love a good yellow colored under eye, you know, to get your eyes popping. Okay, we want to look like we're awake. We want to look like we are aware. Okay, just gonna take my beauty blender, tap it in, tap it in. That low-key could be like something, right? Nah, okay, y'all don't have to agree with me. Okay. Okay, so I'm just putting this on my under eye. Okay, so this isn't too bad of a highlighting powder at all. It's very realistic. It's not too overbearing. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave this much under my eye. I need it to bake just a little bit. Like I said, I don't bake too much. I'm not too much of a fan of baking because I do find that it does crack under my eyes. So I'm just gonna let it sit for just a little bit, okay? And just a little bit, that means right now I'm wiping it off. So I'm just gonna use this brush right here, and I'm just gonna swipe it off and dust it under my lip. We liking how our face is looking? I think we are, but your girl has to contour, okay? So one thing I've been really liking, now this isn't a Beauty Bakerie product or whatever, that's not it right now, but this is one step that I do want to show y'all, is I've been using a darker foundation to contour my face. I've just been finding that it's been doing a really good job instead of actual like contour powder to make my face look more like realistic. Now I use the True Match, like an OG for real, and it's by L'Oreal, and this is in the color C9.5. Especially y'all, since L'Oreal they were the first honestly to make like foundation shades, like drugstore shades that were plenty. I remember back in the day that they had a wide shade range of this foundation before anyone else was doing it. So you know, L'Oreal got our back, okay? L'Oreal knows, they know. Dip a little bit and then put this. Like so, you know, this is a little trickaroo, okay? A little trick. I think other people do it too, but you know, I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. Cheekbones is popping. We out here for real though. Like, we in your city, we're in your town. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, yes. Oh. My brush almost fell like 20 times trying to do that, but y'all see that? After that little trickaroo, okay, we're going to go in with, you know, I just am really into right now just one eyeshadow eyelid looks. I really wanted to focus on Beauty Bakerie's face products and their lip products because I know those are the two things that they're the most like noted for. So I did not get a Beauty Bakerie eyeshadow. I wanted to focus more on their face and lip products, but I will be using, I mean, can you guess? Like, the Jackiana eyeshadow palettes. Sponsored right here. I'm gonna put that on my eyelids, y'all. Keep it simple with the one. Ooh, I love this color, y'all. It's like, I don't know how to put it. It's like a brown mixed in with a green. Y'all, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I really love this palette. Honestly, like this palette is all I need to get by. I already know I can't sing, y'all, so whatever. gonna put this all over my lower eyelid. Now that we have our eyeshadow on, it's popping, it's lovely. Like, we're going to put on our eyelashes, y'all. The Last Goose lashes, I'll have them linked down below.
Meanwhile,
all the time. Tell Drake, tell him. Ooh, we do. Yeah, you better know.
20 minutes later.
We got our eyelashes on, okay. So next we're going to do some eyeliner. And I'm just gonna use my favorite cheapity cheap eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from LA Colors. I got it from the dollar store when I did my little dollar store challenge. And I'm telling you, I mean, like, I like this a lot because it gives this glossy look to the eyelids. The last and final step is our lips. Okay, our lips are looking a little plain. You know, usually I don't do a lot with my lips, but since I only have one eyeshadow color on, I'm like, why not, you know? And on top of that, I bought a Beauty Bakerie lip matte stick, and it's called their Lip Whip. And this is the packaging it comes in right here. Ooh, I like how you have to like slide it. Ooh, once again, going above and beyond with the packaging. Yes. So I got it in the color. Why won't it come? Oh. Why won't it come out? Okay, let's try this again. Versailles. I don't know if I'm saying that right, y'all. Ooh, I'm liking it. It's pretty pink color. And I'm just gonna line my lips because I already know I'm gonna need some lip liner. I'll line my lips with this, my eyebrow liner from Wet n Wild as a lip liner. Y'all, I'm usually not a matte lip tint type. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't really like doing matte lips. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I just like how a gloss looks. Let's see. I have a last minute decision and I want to use some black eyeliner and put that on my bottom lid. So I'm just going to use the same Wet n Wild eyeliner I used for my lips, and then I'm going to use this and put that on my waterline. Just want my eyes to pop. There you go. And this is the final look. Thank you all so much for making it to the end of this video right here. Hopefully this video will get you to try some Beauty Bakerie Cosmetics items. Their stuff is really good overall. I mean, no complaints. Also, I'm not too much of a fan of lip paints, but you know, I made it do what it do. I just added some gloss. If you know me, I'm a gloss girl. I love everything glossy. So, you know, next time I will try one of their lip glosses. But overall, Beauty Bakerie, I mean, it's doing its thing. I really like it. And make sure you go and support a Black-owned beauty company. Beauty Bakerie got it. I mean, look at it. Like, I think it looks really good. If you like what you see, I mean, why not just tap the like button down below? Make sure you like this video, and also comments. Like, I mean, don't you want to get featured in my next video? So make sure you comment down below. Most of all, y'all, help your girl make it to her next milestone, which is 500 subscribers. Make sure you tap or click the subscribe button down below. Come on, help your girl out. Help me out. Help me reach 500 subscribers. Tell a friend, okay? Tell a family member. Tell anyone. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Hey, hey, pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up, wait, you know you gotta guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree. Now you gotta pay a fee. This ain't free. What you need? Go, go. Pride's gonna be the death of me. Hold up, wait, you know you gotta guard your energy. You can't match my pedigree.